So this afternoon we are taking a boat drive with this lovely gentleman.
Blade.
This is Blade, and he's going to take us out on the boat this afternoon and show us the waterways, and we're going to see what we see. Hey Blade?
Normally aquatic mammals like hippos, crocodiles, water birds, flowers, sometimes otters.
Wow.
Elephants swimming around or sometimes feeding on the water lilies.
Wow.
Aquatic antelopes like the red leeches.
Yes.
Sometimes sitatunga.
Oh, that would be
That
amazing.
one is very rare to see.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah. Any question, anytime, you're free.
Blade's our man. Yay! Got my little sundowners for this boat ride this afternoon, and we're on our way. These are all the lovely boats that they've got to take you out on a game drive in the water. Truly magnificent. Look at our view this afternoon, everybody. Look at that. Wow. This is Camp Hokuti in the Okavango. It's a private lodge, 5-star lodge. Very nice. Look at that. Okay, so this is Camp Kakanaka, another 5-star lodge on the banks of the river. So we are now heading upstream, and
You go downstream,
if you go downstream,
the river will take
the
you
river
to Kwai.
takes you to Kwai. So the delta is still filling with water, and it should be full, or as full as it's going to get by the end of August. Hey Blake?
End of this month.
The end of this month. The water.
Pardon?
The Metsi.
The water will be at its fullest at the end of this month.
Yeah.
Okay?
So, but I think end of this month, then everything will be back to normal.
And is this the normal water length height that you expect, or is it lower?
No. That is why I'm saying maybe end of this month. That's
Okay.
when everything will be back to normal.
Oh,
But for now,
fantastic.
the water level is a little bit rising up.
Okay, so it's still a bit low for now, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Blade.
Welcome.
Well, look at this. It's just literally opened up. Look how much water there is.
So this is the biggest part that we have here.
Okay?
Biggest lagoon that we have here in Moremi Game Reserve.
Yes.
It is also called Kakanaka Lagoon.
All right.
So when the water level is very high, on the middle day it can go up to 5 meters deep.
Wow.
The minimum is 3.5 meters deep.
Wow.
200 meters wide, 900 meters long.
That's amazing.
And this is where we normally do our sundowners, but not this side, on the other side of the lagoon.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So this is called Lechwe Island.
Lechwe Island. It's a permanent island. It's never been covered by water. It's always like this. Lechwe Island, because always when you come here, you'll find red lechwes.
Wow.
Then it was named Lechwe Island.
That's amazing.
Sometimes there's a lot of water bathing here.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes elephants, sometimes giraffes.
Wow.
There's other ones on your right side. Those are the pygmy goose.
Pygmy goose.
As you know, with the birds are like snakes.
Yeah.
Males, they always have beautiful colors. The reason being what? Yeah.
Why do they call it that? Oh, because it walks on the water.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So crushing up the snails of the shells of the snails.
Wow.
Open built stock.
He's beautiful, man.
Notice how it was named the snake bed.
The elephant swimming.
For you to identify which one is the male or female, just by looking at the white color of the chest. If it reflects an oval shape, that's the female one.
As the sun sets over the water at Kakanaka. Sit with our little sundowners and we celebrate this truly beautiful place that we get to call home actually. Kakanaka is got to be one of the most beautiful spots we've ever been to. And look at that tonight.